Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to make fried cauliflower with tahini sauce. Start by separating the cauliflower into equal-sized florets. Okay. Great. Once that's done, wash them properly, then spread them out on a cutting board to let them dry. We want them completely dry before frying, which will avoid oil splattering everywhere and burning your face. In the meantime, we're going to prepare our tarator, which is a Middle Eastern tahini sauce. This is the sauce that we use in falafel, shawarma, and just about everything because it's great. Also, tarator is not the same as tartar sauce, which is basically mayo. So first we need a tablespoon of tahini, preferably homemade, but store-bought is fine. Make sure to mix it well before measuring. A tablespoon of lemon juice, salt to taste, and half a tablespoon of water. Some people also add garlic, but I'm not going to. Mix it until the sauce comes together and adjust it to your liking. Done well. هذا بسيط ما تقول.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, thank you. Okay, قبل ما نبلش تصوير الفراينج.
Flexing. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, but they need to dry a bit longer, a bit more. Once they're super dry. Okay, so I'm just going to test with a few pieces. This is good. Fewer pieces. That I toss them with flour. Will they be crunchier?
I think you can make them smaller.
لا smaller لا. As you can see, my husband is the one frying while I take care of the shoot. Add approximately 3 centimeters or an inch of neutral oil to a pot and wait until it's ready. Once the oil is hot enough, gently drop in your florets. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pot and fry them until they turn golden brown. When they're ready, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. As soon as that's done, hit them with salt and sema to taste. Sema, or sumac, is a spice that we use a lot in Middle Eastern food. It has a tart and citrusy flavor like a lemon, and it's one of the spices that we use to make za'atar. You can also find it in any Middle Eastern supermarket. Drizzle with lemon juice and gently toss them to make sure all the florets are evenly coated. Very crunchy.
ما كتير يعني. There's a flour aftertaste.
But it's not that noticeable.
ما حبيتها.
Finally, you're ready to plate and serve. We usually enjoy this delicious appetizer with pita bread and some parsley for garnish. And now for the perfect bite. Add some more lemon juice because there can never be enough. Drizzle a bit of tarator, grab a floret with the bread, and boom. That is the perfect bite. This is such an easy and delicious dish that's usually a crowd favorite. You can almost always find it in Lebanese restaurants. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do.
Pause. Eat.
And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
عنا زيت.
ايه عنا زيت.
لازم زيت مستعمل.
لا زيت مستعمل حرقناه هديك المرة.
Yo soy una tortilla. Yo me llamo tortilla. I can have it as a main dish.
إذا بدك إياها مين ديش بعمل لك يخنة القرنبيط.
Will it taste the same?
No.
إيه لكن. ما بدي زيك.
شو وقعت؟
ماشي.
شو وقعت؟ ما بصدق. على فكرة
It's fine. Okay. Don't shame me.
I'm not shaming you. I'm just showing what you did.
That's shaming. I'm hungry.
يلا هينا على حنق اللي ثانية بس.